What's up, guys? We're back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I've just been busy with basketball, but I'm back now. Let's get to harvesting. So right now we are in my John Deere S730. Oh, nope, never mind, S760 with the American Patriot flag on it with an 8-row corn header. So let's get to harvesting. And I'm also using a steering wheel and foot pedals. So yeah, it's a Christmas gift I got. Right now we have under $4,000 in my bank account. Well, let's get to harvesting. And so since we have a 8-row corn header, just go in between 4 rows and harvest. So, yeah, we're running at 6 miles an hour. About normal when you're harvesting corn. And so really, as long as you really just have that nose right there, right in the front, it's kind of perfect, really. Just put that right there. And we're doing the headlands too, so yeah. I already do have a truck in the elevator. Well, not the elevator, but my silo. So that's dumping. But we're at 40%. Let's get to harvesting. We're yielding pretty good too. We're in the yellow area. So if you look right there, that shows you what we're yielding. So as you can see, we're in like the yellow. Back where we were, it was a little red. But I mean, we can fix that next year too with some lime and some fertilizer. But otherwise, we're doing pretty good. I know it's been a little while since I've last uploaded a video, but we had no school today and no practice, so I just decided, why not make a YouTube video? Not a very long one, just 8 minutes, whatever, you know, whatever you can get out of it. And I just felt like I haven't uploaded in months, so I just wanted to upload a video so you guys can be entertained. I hope you like my content. If you don't, just put it in the comments what you want me to change. There's not much I can change. I'm just starting a new channel here. So, and I am holding my camera with my hand, so it is kind of hard. I'm doing all this one-handed because I don't have a spot to really put my camera. And I don't know how to make videos, like, you know, like actually in the game. But so really I just count 4 rows, and then between the 4th and 5th row is where I stop. I put the header down and I go, because it's an 8-row header, so 4 is half, so you go a little over 4 and you're perfect. Sure, you gotta do a little bit of math, but that's why you go to school. You got 8, subtract 4, that's half, you know. So as you can see now, we're yielding red, and that's not good. We want that green. The green is what we want. But you can see all that, all my monitors. Just combine corn. But anyways, it is what it is. Just wanted to get a little bit of combining in. Maybe next episode we'll spray. Yeah. And I can't wait for the 4020 mod to come out for all platforms too. That'll be exciting. I'll use that a lot. I'll do a lot of haying videos with that. Oh, we're running over a little bit of corn there. I don't know why. I did recently just mow my grass too, so that's why it's like that. Uh-oh, we got a little situation here. There's a hill right behind me and I can't back up into it or I'll back my auger right into it. So I think I got a solution. One, 2, 3, 4, right there. Right there's where we want to go. So just line that up. Drop that down. And just go right in. Boom. Okay, that should be good, right? Yeah, that should be far enough. Ooh, we're kind of cutting on a little angle here. I don't really like that, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. Now that we're about even, let's get to moving this. Boom. Okay. I'm gonna get John doing this, and I'm gonna run grain cart. Okay, so John is running that. I'm gonna stay back. Let's walk up here. Oh wait, shoot. Whoopsies. John, are you gonna turn around? Turn around there, bud. Whoa, 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 John. Alright. John, you just sit in the buddy seat. I'll show you how to do this. Now, since we got the grain cart in the way down there, you ain't gonna be able to get through. Because this is where I started. I just cut out here. So let's just ride back down here real quick. Alright. Now we should be good to just zoom. Oh, actually, we might stop again. I'm gonna clean this up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back now. I'm just harvesting here. Let's see here. Let's stop. We're at 96. We're right here by the grain cart too. So let's just see. Let's turn around here. Here's my truck with the grain cart and gas tank. Here's the grain cart. Let's get my pipe out. The pipe's swinging out. Ooh, I don't know. Crap. Poopy. Ooh, I don't know. Are we gonna be too long? I know this isn't. Oh, alright, we good. I know this isn't realistic, but that's how I always like to play. Alright, let's stop there. Fill that up, and then that over there fills the combine, or the semi. I do have my set of doubles. I'll run to that. Well, we're in my doubles here. So, let's let these empty, and we're done. Okay. Let's head back to the field real quick. And then there's a sprayer over there. Let's ride on over here real quick to the field. I got a lot of corn to do. A lot of corn. It's a big field. Let's pull in through here real quick. Boom. Well, that's all set. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. It was only a quick one, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, click that like button and the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And share this with your friends too. Make this stuff go viral. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to harvesting. I hope